savvy so I could create a website and get set up and stuff and sell my art online. I don't even know where to begin.
I am here to grant your wish. Ask and you shall receive.
Wow. Are you a genie?
No, it's me, Alexis, founder of Artists in Business. I'm just here to talk to you about your business.
Oh, right. Alexis.
You don't need to be a tech wizard to set your art business up online. You just need the 4 essential tech pieces for that.
For my first wish, I wish I knew what the 4 essential tech pieces are.
Avery, no, I'm not a genie. I don't do wishes. I'm just gonna tell you what the tech pieces are.
Great. For my second wish,
Getting your art business set up properly online so that it's functional, attracts your ideal buyers, and does the work of selling your offers for you sounds great, right? Only, where the heck do you start? If you don't know where to begin or what tech pieces to focus on first, you might start feeling totally overwhelmed. And what happens when you feel overwhelmed? You get paralyzed. In order to avoid feeling overwhelmed, the best thing you can do is break down your plan into bite-sized pieces. Now, what do I mean by that? Instead of looking at the whole, instead of looking at all the million steps all at the same time, just focus on the first step, something small and achievable. And then after you take that step, focus on the next step, and so on. Eventually, you'll have broken things down into so many little steps that you'll look back and think, wow, look how far I've come. When it comes to your tech setup now, all you really need are just 4 essential tech pieces. They will form the foundation for your online business and allow you to sell your offers immediately. And it will also serve as the launching pad for you to build out an even more comprehensive system as your business and your business's needs evolve. Your business will always be evolving. Now, the first essential tech piece is your email service provider. One of the most important things you can do as an artist and business owner is to gather your customers' information and compile it into an email list. With their consent, of course. You'll want to choose an email provider that best suits your personality, the needs of your business, and the level of tech support you will need to get started. The top email service providers for artistic businesses that I highly recommend are Mailchimp, HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, Entreport, and Infusionsoft. The second essential tech piece is your website essentials. The biggest mistake artists tend to make with their websites is to design the sites themselves instead of for their ideal client. That is a no-no. What you want to do is use your website as a tool to improve your connection with your ideal buyers so you can engage with them on a deeper level. There are 6 elements of your website essentials that are absolutely crucial. Number 1, a strong, clear headline that instantly explains your business. Number 2, a clear, concise tagline that lets a visitor know what you sell. And number 3, an opt-in that encourages visitors to become a part of your community. Number 4, an about page, because your customers and potential customers are going to want to get a sense of who you are. They want to trust you if they are going to invest in you. And number 5, a shop. Make sure it's highly visible. If customers have to search for your shop, you'll lose a lot of business. And number 6, finally, you want to make it clear and easy for your visitors to contact you on your contact page. Now, the third essential tech piece for your business is your social media. Social media can be overwhelming to say the least, since there are so many platforms to choose from. For artists, setting up a strong business online, there are really only 2 you need to have in place, and they're super simple to set up and begin to use effectively to build your list and make consistent sales. In this moment, those happen to be Facebook and Instagram. That's it. You don't have to master Discord, Yee, or BeGo Live. And the 4th essential tech piece for your business is tech support. Getting the kind of tech support you need as an artist in business is much easier than you might think, and much more affordable. Below are 2 of the top freelancer sites you can use to hire tech support for anything you might need in your business. Fiverr.com. Fiverr means all gigs start at $5. They go up from there, but the bottom line is you can hire a freelancer to take care of simple tech tasks for you, like adding an opt-in to your website or designing your new logo for a very small investment. And Upwork.com. Similar to Fiverr.com, Upwork.com allows you to hire freelancers from around the world for a minimal amount. You want to be sure you choose wisely, but once you do, you can have the best tech support in the world for just about any tech task you need help with. So to recap, the 4 essential tech pieces to begin building the foundation of your online art business are your email service provider, website essentials, social media, and tech support. Now, let's show you how to break it down into bite-sized pieces. Let's start with the task of finding an email service provider. Step 1, you want to research Mailchimp. We'll use that as the example. Step 2, come up with a list of the pros and cons of Mailchimp and see if that aligns with your art business and the way you do things. Step 3, research HubSpot. Step 4, come up with a list of pros and cons of HubSpot and see if that aligns with your art business and the way you do things. Step 5, repeat this with each of the email service providers left: ActiveCampaign, Entreport, Infusionsoft. And step 6, choose the best fit for you.